color as well.
This one, right?
Oh my God.
Gray. Yes.
This is gold, silver. Oh wow. Wow. Imole.
This is my daddy. Brother.
Imole. Me, I feel like Imole should be white casket.
White, yes.
But to represent his name, Imole.
I also like it should be like lights around this casket. Like
But
glowing.
which electricity will take connect that one?
Leg lights, yes, yeah. Leg lights,
With battery.
With the legs, yes. All the put on the wall.
But they cannot bury him with the light though.
No, they will have it in the casket.
They'll put it in there.
When the battery dies,
They won't open it again now.
There's something I saw. No, put it. There's something, there's this casket here. There's this, right. There's this casket. See, that's my sister from my sister.
Okay, that one.
She did something. This casket was spinning inside the rolling thing like it was so beautiful. Yes.
Imole.
I saw it downstairs.
Imole, they said we should light you to heaven.
It lights you up, man.
Light you up.
The leg light.
This is so beautiful.